Hello all, hope you're all doing good and staying safe. Welcome to Zareensart. So today I'm back with another video on how to create basic patterns with the help of the patterns book. So the patterns book, as you all know, is all about creating patterns from basic to advanced level. So it has step-by-step illustrations on how to arrive at a pattern, something like this, from basic to advanced level of creating patterns. So something like this. So this book is all you need to know how to arrive at different patterns for your design. So today we'll be creating these two patterns with the help of the pattern outlines from the book. So you will need the patterns book, or you can use a grid sheet if in case you don't have the patterns book, and a black fine liner pens. So this is all you need to get started to create these two patterns. So let's get started.